Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Chicken Bhuna bread. Step 1. Activate the yeast. Take 3 tablespoons lukewarm water. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir until sugar dissolves completely. Add 7 grams dried yeast. Combine well. Set aside for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Step 2. Preparing bread dough. Take 2 cups flour. 2 tablespoons milk powder. Salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 egg. Combine well. If yeast is not frothy, do not use that, which means your yeast is expired. Add activated yeast in dough mixture. Add some lukewarm milk. Knead the dough. Grease some oil. Set aside for 1 to 2 hours until it's doubled up in size. Step 3. Making Bhuna stuffing. Take 1 teaspoon pure ghee. Add 2 tablespoons oil. 2 chopped onions. Sauté well. 1 teaspoon green chilies chopped. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. One tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Keep roasting until the rawness goes away. Add 1 chopped tomato. Quarter teaspoon Schezwan chutney. Quarter teaspoon cumin powder. 2 pinches turmeric powder. Half teaspoon garam masala. Quarter teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon Maggie masala. Quarter teaspoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Salt to taste. Roast the masala well. Add some water. Roast well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Two tablespoons coriander leaves. Add some water. Combine well. Add 300 grams of chicken cubes cut into small pieces. Sauté well. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Quarter cup curd. Combine well. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Our delicious chicken bhuna is ready. Step 4. Preparing the bread. Dough has doubled up in size. Puncture the dough. Knead for 5 minutes. Divide into equal parts. Make the balls. Dust some flour. Roll out the dough. Add Bhuna stuffing. Add some cheese. Brush water on the sides. Roll it. Make gentle cuts. Roll it again. Remove extras from the side. Egg wash the bread rolls. Sprinkle oregano. Sprinkle dried fenugreek and chili flakes. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, apply some melted butter on it. Our delicious chicken Bhuna breads are ready to enjoy. Do try this super delicious homemade chicken buns recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.